This is how you make money online in Fiverr, selling thumbnails using this very simple step. It has never been this easy. Hello and welcome to Money Hub YouTube channel. We are happy to have you. Today, I just want us to go through a very simple process in terms of how you can make money using an AI generated thumbnail. Okay, a thumbnail is the static photo that you see there. On every YouTube video you see, there is that static photo there. And actually, this is what sells your video. A big percentage of it is all about the thumbnails. It's just like the newspaper headline. So every person who is creating a YouTube channel requires a thumbnail. It is a must-have, and that thing is in huge demand. And you know what? Actually, you can be able to create it using AI and make money off it. Now, I just want, I'm just going to give you this full course for free. Now, my friend, I just want to ask you, there is a button there called subscribe. Just hit on it. It takes less than a second. Just hit on the subscribe button, because I actually bring you these tutorials for free, which otherwise other people will charge for it. Okay, so basically we are just going to go through how you can create it, and the platform that you are meant to sell it, and the proof of business, the viability of this business. It actually is a business that you can do even while you're in your office, at home, or even when you're traveling. It doesn't even matter. You don't even need to have a laptop. Actually, you just need to okay, and then you just create a profile, and then you sell it. All right, so without much further ado, let me know in the comment section or in my YouTube channel what you think about this, and also give me a thumbs up on this video so that I can continue bringing in more engaging videos like this that will help you make money online. So without much further ado, guys, let's dive into it. Hi guys, now I just want to show you how you can make money, and good money, from Fiverr using ChatGPT. Now, what ChatGPT is going to do is what you could have spent a lot of time doing, but then when you look at this opportunity, guys, you'll see that it is quite lucrative and so many people are into it. Now, let's just dive in straight. We are going to come to a website called Fiverr.com. Okay, Fiverr came from the word five. All right, now Fiverr, it is an online platform where people sell their digital skills. All right, and actually the digital skills are in the hundreds. There are so many digital skills, as you can see. If you want to graphics design, it's all here. Programming and tech, it's all here. You see, there is development of minimum viable products, support IT, cloud computing, blockchain and development. Okay, all these things, software development, mobile apps, websites, all these things are just delivered online. If you want to go to video and animations, you can see there are so many tasks you can perform online and get paid, guys. Now there is if it is writing, translation, music and audio. For those who are music lovers, you can songwrite. You can actually, and by the way, you can even songwrite with an AI. You can just do DJ mixing, whatever that you want to do. If you are in business, you can do business formation, consulting, operations and management, legal services and other miscellaneous stuff. There is AI, and quite a lot that we see here. But there is consulting and every other thing. I mean, guys, this Fiverr, there is everything, so you can do this too. So when I'm just going to direct you to something that is called a thumbnail. Okay, a thumbnail. Now let me tell you something. For those who are beginners, let me tell you something about a thumbnail. A thumbnail, it is that static photo that you see on every YouTube channel. Okay, so meaning that every person who wants to create a YouTube channel, for example, if it is I come here and I type a YouTube channel and I say YouTube, actually, okay, here we go, like this one. Now this is a thumbnail. All right, this is a thumbnail. Okay, uh, every other photo that you see, it is that static photo. And what you note about these static photos is that, first of all, they have some characteristics. They have they are written in big bold letters, so that it's just like a newspaper headline to be able to attract you. So a thumbnail is very, very important. Actually, it is sales. It makes your video, people to view your video, up to 40 above 45% will click on your video based on your thumbnail and your title. The title of your thumbnail and your thumbnail is what will make people actually click on it. All right, so if you see that, for example, become a millionaire without hard work. Now those people who want to sleep and you don't want to work, you'll say, aha, this is nice, let me watch this. Okay, so guys, I want to show you how you can create a thumbnail from and sell it onto Fiverr for money. Now let us look at the business potential. Okay, come here, let's go, let's type thumbnail. All right, now you see, thumbnail, it has quite a lot of job demands. This is 1000. Okay, 1000. This person has done over 1k thumbnails. That means that is 20,000 US dollars. Okay, if you're in Kenya, you could be talking about almost 3 million. Okay, that is what this person has already made in terms of Kenya shilling. Okay, our shilling is like 128, so you can see how much money he has created, 2.5 million. Okay, and he's charging $20 per one thumbnail, also $10 per one thumbnail, over 1,000. Okay, over 1,000, that is over. It could be 10,000, it could be 50, but it is just above 1,000, still selling it at around one thumbnail at 3,000, over 1,000, over 1,000, over 1,000, over 1,000. It is all over, and people are making money out of it, over 1,000. And even someone is charging $50 for a thumbnail. Okay, make you a great YouTube thumbnail, $60, that's about 7,500, over 1,000. So that's over 42,000. Okay, that's quite a lot of money. Someone is making more than 10 million out of a thumbnail. So guys, all these people, you see. Now, how do you make this thumbnail? People make thumbnails because you must have a designer, a graphic designer, to create this thumbnail for you, this YouTube thumbnail. Okay, if your YouTube does not have a thumbnail, it will not sell. Okay, no views. So you must have a thumbnail. So because we have an AI platform called ChatGPT, okay, we are going to prompt it so that it can create a thumbnail for us. And then what we are going to do is to come and create a profile on Fiverr. Okay, you come here and then we create a profile. You click to switch to selling. You see here, switch to selling. Now I come, you create a profile. If you don't have one, make sure that you have actually created that profile. Fill every space. Make sure you fill every space. And if there is a place that you may not understand very well, make sure you go to the comment section, or maybe just email me. The email is right there. Let me know if you are really stuck somewhere. But make sure as you are creating your profile, it's not hard, that you create your profile 100%. Okay, that you create your profile 100%. You fill every space so that Fiverr will rank you. Okay, that is one secret. So now let's go to ChatGPT, and assuming that you have a client who wants to create a thumbnail based on what? Okay, we come to ChatGPT and we'll write a prompt. Okay, A prompt is very important so that this AI can be able to understand what you want. So we are going to tell this, we are going to say this to ChatGPT: create a YouTube thumbnail, okay, that in quotes make money, or let's say home and gardening, gardening, okay, home and gardening tutorial, okay, fine. Then we tell it, make the title bold, okay, create some pictures, and one last thing, that it must have the dimensions of YouTube, okay, to be able to be uploaded, okay, uploaded, okay. Now home and gardening tutorial, okay. Now that's our title. We want to be assuming you know zero about design, hata ujui ku design anything. Wewe ni Mkenya tu hapo, ama you are Tanzania or whatever, but now you just want to say, how can I start creating and selling this skill, okay, online. Now this is our prompt: create a YouTube thumbnail with the words home and with the title, let's call it a title, home and gardening tutorial. Make the title bold and create some pictures, and it must have some relevant pictures, and it must have the dimensions of YouTube to be uploaded. Okay, now guys, it will take some time to be able to create, to design, all right. But maybe, you know, when you are giving out a job, when you come back to Fiverr, you see that the delivery for your job between 1 day, 3 days, or 1 week, okay. So you can give your client like 1 week before you, or not 1 week, but 3 days before you deliver, but you know you will over deliver, because in a few minutes it's going to create, and then now we can go and pitch it up, all right. Okay, fine. So you click enter, okay. Now it will start designing. It may take some little time, all right. It is processing the image, so we wait for it. Now we come back to Fiverr and just check a few things. Now when you want to become a seller, there are 3 things that you must check, okay. Every category here has for example, make a great YouTube and enhance it with AI, for example. That is it. Assuming there are usually 3 packages or 3 categories of payments, and clients charge very well. You may find that someone is saying you are creating a thumbnail for $22, that is it. But then maybe the standard version of him is that he's charging 2 thumbnails for $36. That's about almost 5,000. And now the premium one, he's charging 49.5, that's around 6,000, for create a 3 thumbnail versions for your YouTube video. It's called A/B testing. A/B testing is where you try to put in this thumbnail, you see whether it's attracting views, and then you also, you put the same another thumbnail to the same video, and then you get to see whether which one is actually catching the eyes of the viewers. Okay, so once you under your profile, when you sign up here, as I told you, switch to selling, you click here. Now you will create the profile, and once you have created the profile, of course you will say you are a graphic designer. That's what you'll have to choose. It's a simple process to sign up, okay, to fill up. And then now once it is done, now you can even put it there as a sample. Okay, you can create as many. You can even come back here and check what the titles that these people have. Okay, for example, if you come here to YouTube, you will come here and get to see you say what is your niche. You say home and garden. Okay, let's choose that niche so that we get to see many thumbnails to every person who is creating such videos. So home and garden, design notes, 10x, all these. So guys, thumbnails is one of the lucrative businesses, easy to do, easy. Kama hii itakushinda sijui ni gani tena unaweza shinda, because si wewe una design, you are not the one who is, you are just writing it there, the AI is gonna do it for you, and then you only saying that you are selling, and you go sell yours at $10 or even $5, you will get a lot of customers. Okay, you see this person over 10,000, he's done this. These are over 1,000, so maybe ameuzia watu 20,000. Okay, he's made a lot of money, over 1k 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 1k. Guys, I'm telling you, this niche is really good, because thumbnail. Because the reason is, now content creation has really become has gone up, and almost every other person is creating content. And what people don't have is either the skill to create these thumbnails, or they don't have time. Someone has to create the video. Once the video is set up, you create the thumbnail, unamtumia. And don't say that nimechanua kila mtu. No, actually there are millions of people out there who doesn't even know whether Fiverr exists or some of these platforms. Okay, so we'll get right back once the AI, once the ChatGPT is through, and then you'll have seen what it has created. Okay. Wow, guys, now check what ChatGPT has given us. This generative AI, ChatGPT, has designed a YouTube thumbnail for you, and with no sweat. Actually, with no sweat. So we have our YouTube thumbnail here. You can actually either share, or if you want to save this thumbnail for some other day. You can copy the link. You can send it to whatever. You can export it to whichever channel. But all in all, we have a YouTube thumbnail, guys. This is something that Kenyans charge 500 shillings, from 350 to 500 shillings one. Even if you are to do just like 10 you are every day, or 5 every day, times 500 shillings, that's 2,500. And actually, you are not the one who is doing. You can prompt as many times as possible in a day. Hakuna siku ati ChatGPT imechoka. All you need to do is always to go to Facebook and say for I'm doing YouTube thumbnails in Kenya, hit my number, and that's it. You are able to do your need. If you have a YouTube channel, then I'm saving you quite a lot of money. And that's why I'm just asking you to just hit on the subscribe button. It's free to subscribe, so I'm saving you money. If you've been paying for money for a YouTube thumbnail, and now you will save. Just do the right prompt, follow what I've said, and guys, here we go. Now the remaining thing that you need to do is that, supposing this client told you he was in the niche or the category, he or she does the content for home and gardening. Okay, so your job is to not to tell him that you're coming to ChatGPT. No, that's your secret. Just come to ChatGPT, do the right prompt, tell that person. Hata inaweza kuwa sio, not even, it doesn't have to be on Fiverr, but actually just come very fast, do your prompt, get your prompt, download your prompt, share that prompt with that client, and there you go, you have your hustle. Okay, so some of these things, you see, it's you make your money with no sweat, guys. So that's what actually all these people are actually doing. So basically, that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up and a like. Let me know in the comment section what you feel about this video, so that we can be able to engage one another. Till next time, thank you.